Hey guys, Jay Steckervetz from Underhill Forge here. This is actually kind of a really cool day. We're doing something brand new for the first time here in class. This is our very first Damascus class. We're keeping it easy today. It's just one student. Larry should be here in about an hour. But this is something that we've been wanting to add for a long time. People have been really asking about it, and it's just going to be I don't know. It's gonna be interesting. I've taught other people how to do Damascus, but never before in a class situation. And you know, the hard part is that you always want everything to succeed in class because that's what makes it fun. The goal is today that Larry's going to build his bar of Damascus, and we're going to draw it out, and we want to get enough for 2 knives because over the course of tomorrow and Sunday, he's going to be taking that Damascus billet and fashioning 2 knives from it and finishing them up. This is just going to be really cool. It's something that we've added on for select dates throughout the year. It's a Friday add-on class, and essentially come in, make a bar of Damascus, and then we're going to use it in the following weekend class. So stay tuned throughout the day. We're going to give some updates. We'll be posting pictures on Instagram, and I don't know. Wish us luck. I think it's always you get those butterflies in your stomach when you're starting out something brand new for the very first time. But I know it's all going to turn out great. So stay tuned, guys, and we'll see you soon. Take care. All right, guys, so here we are. We're back in the forge, still working all day. Say hi to Larry. He's over here. There you go. Say hi, Larry. Larry is our student today. He's working really hard. So far, this is his billet. It's only at 8 layers. However, everything else is going to start coming together really quick. Again, stay tuned because we're going to keep on giving you updates throughout the rest of the day. Thanks again. Oh, look, I have a little spot on my head. We're going to keep on getting dirty as well. We'll see you later on. Have a great day. So here we are. We're about 7.5 hours in. It's almost 5 o'clock. Larry's been working really, really hard. You can actually see him over my shoulder here. Man, this guy's never done Damascus before. And although he has actually done a forging class with us one time back in March 2018. But he's really doing well. I mean, you know, we threw the hydraulic press at him, the rolling mill, things that he's actually, you know, most people don't normally get to touch. And, well, we're at 128 layers. And I think that's probably where we're going to stop for today. And we're going to go ahead and grind it up and, you know, clean up all the scale. And I want to see what that pattern actually looks like. We had a little bit of material loss, just like we normally do when we're forging Damascus, but I just rather play it safe and take it right to 128, leave it there if it looks good. And we'll make that determination here in a little bit. But otherwise, it's been a great first Damascus or pattern weld, you know, class. Really couldn't ask for anything better. We're going to give one more update. Probably just photographs. I don't feel like talking anymore. It's time to go have a beer. And it's getting a little warm in here if you can't tell. But otherwise, thanks for watching, guys. If you want more information, go to underhillforge.com. We've got plenty of class dates open now, all the way through December and even January of 2020. So look forward to having you here. Take care. So it's day 2. Larry's not here yet. I just pulled his piece out of the annealing oven, and we actually put it in there to normalize overnight, just take any stresses out from the forging process. And now I'm going to go ahead and give it a really quick touch on the belt sander. I'd really like to see what kind of pattern we're getting here before he shows up, and we'll get that billet trimmed up and hopefully surprise him a little bit. All right, well, stay tuned again throughout the day. We'll probably just keep most of it to posting pictures on our Instagram here. However, I'm really excited to see what knives Larry ends up making out of his pattern welded bar. So stay tuned. If you look, I didn't take all the hammer marks out. Still have some deep pitting in here, but I rather leave that material there for when we hammer, just because we can smooth some of that out. And anyway, I'm going to give this a quick etch here, and at least it'll give us an idea as to what the pattern's going to be. So there we go. We gave it a quick test etch, and starting to see that pattern coming out in there. I'm excited. So stay tuned throughout the rest of the day, and we'll show you what Larry's able to make out of it. First couple of etches looking great. Starting to get some really nice contrast out of it. Almost done for the day. It's an incredible 3 days worth of work. Just a little bit of hand sanding left. We need to sharpen those things up. Wow, what more can I say? It's been a hell of a 3 day weekend here with Larry doing our first ever inaugural pattern weld class. And man, he just did a phenomenal job. I'm so proud. This is something that is really, Larry really put forth a lot of effort, and it definitely shows in the end product. Man, he did an awful lot of work. We asked a lot of him, but he came through with shining colors, and it was just really cool to see. So glad that he was our first student, and I can't wait to see who else we get, because this is a really cool class. I mean, it definitely gives you something unique that you just don't normally find in a knife making class. Starting out making your own steel, and then forging both those pieces down to awesome blades. Again, thank you, Larry. I'm so glad that you enjoyed the class, and man, just proud of the work that you did, brother. Really great. Again, thanks for everybody for watching, giving us your support this weekend, and hopefully we'll do this whole thing again. All right, well, take care, and if you want more information on our knife making classes, on our pattern weld classes, tomahawk classes, just go to underhillforge.com, and you can find out all the information you need. Look forward to seeing you. Take care.